Download the SharkClean app to get the most out of your Shark IQ robot. Control your robot from anywhere with the app, or use voice control with Alexa or Google Assistant, and even select specific rooms to clean. Customize your cleaning modes. Decide when you want your IQ robot to clean. Stay up to date on how your robot is performing. Your robot will even report on its progress. Adjust your robot's settings from anywhere. And select features like Recharge and Resume, which will enable your robot to pick up where it left off after charging. For additional information, please visit the Help section of your app or sharkclean.com/support.